Good afternoon, Alejandro. Thank you for participating in this interview. Today we are going to discuss about the WAAMEM experiment as part of AMable project. I've prepared a number of questions for you. First one would be who you are and what do you do?
Hello, Oliver. We are CITD, an engineering firm based in Getafe, Spain. We are specialized in aerospace structures and wiring. In the last 4 years, we have been working intensively to bring AM to space.
Could you please explain the idea of your product?
The product that we have chosen for this AMable call is a motor mount. A motor mount is a structural element that connects the electric motor to the fuselage or wing. It is responsible for the load transfer of the thrust generated by the motor. The advantage we want to exploit here is that this component will have two interfaces, one to the aircraft and one to the motor.
So what are your expectations from additive manufacturing?
First one, reduce weight. As additive manufacturing allows for complex geometries resulting from topological optimization with even higher margins of safety. So from experience, we can save up to 30% in weight easily, at least maintaining the same strength levels. We also, in second place, we have an increase in optimized stiffness, as it is required for a component that has to allow for a range of frequencies. It has to work with the rotation of the motor. So we'll have to tailor the stiffness of the part. And then reduce the time. The motor mount is fairly big, and manufacturing it by conventional milling techniques.
So what challenges did you expect in the beginning of the project, and what challenges did you actually have?
When we started, we were pretty much worried about the manufacturing process itself. We didn't have a good understanding of the melting process that goes on. We didn't have enough experience with the materials that are commonly used in direct energy deposition. But a problem that we thought was going to be a second-order issue became more relevant, which is the design specifics of this manufacturing technology. We already had broad experience in designing for AM, but mainly for SLM, in which manufacturing constraints are way different. And so we had to learn and iterate until we had something that met all the requirements.
So in this respect, which AMable services did you choose?
Indeed, our first material choice for this product was titanium, but for this purpose, we had training for AMEN in the first service from AMable, and they showed us that it was somehow difficult to print with titanium, and we wanted to avoid as much as possible problems derived from taking risky decisions here, and so we went for steel 316L, which showed to be fairly good. And also we got support from Subsea for the industrialization of AM, where we were looking for the understanding of the process, cost, and its limitations.
How has AMable helped you until now? So how you benefited from the AMable support so far?
It's great, because the mere concept of the AMable project is fantastic. We have been able to gain very valuable experience in a record time and budget, as the services and the constant support of a tutor have helped us stay on the right track and avoid common mistakes that would have cost us money and time. And also, as part of the experiment, we have had to reach for suppliers for the printing of the coupons, and we have made some interesting contacts. And we have a list of other suppliers and their capabilities, which will come handy in the future. And not only we know more suppliers now, but they know us.
Yeah, that's fantastic, actually. And so my next question will be, when your product will be available on the market?
We have to keep in mind that each design will have to be tailor-made to fit the client's aircraft and specification. This process usually takes around 6 to 10 months.
Great. So how has your experience with the AMable project been like?
It's I can only say that it's excellent. It's like having a big brother helping you with your homework. It's in our case our tutor, and the services we have received have guided us in the right direction for the duration of the project.
I wish you all the best for all the follow-up activities. And, hope to hear a lot of success stories.
We hope we can share with you some good news soon.
That would be great. Thank you very much, Alejandro.
And thank you, Oliver. I want to thank you for the time you have spent with us. It's been very productive. And yeah, I hope we can meet in the future, whatever it is, in collaboration or a congress or whatever. It's been a real nice experience. Thank you.
Same here. It was very nice experience. Thank you, Alejandro. Bye bye.